Oh, there's lots. Yeah. Woohoo. Arizona. Good morning.
We're just outside of Phoenix on our way to Tucson for a travel conference.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a lot of fun stuff. We're gonna climb, we're gonna go on a mountain bike ride, we're gonna talk to other video creators.
Yeah.
It's gonna be awesome.
It'll be really fun. We're excited.
Oh yeah.
So beautiful. Look at these mountains. Whee.
Finally made it after 6 hours of driving. We're here at the Tucson Convention Center. Everything is set up. I actually got a message from somebody representing National Geographic.
Very cool.
What if this is like the start of something like insane?
Yeah.
And I'm documenting like my reaction like as we speak.
Mm-hmm.
Like how crazy would that be? Even if nothing comes of it, like, it's nice to be able to put yourself in the arena. Yeah. Yeah, but we're going to talk to a bunch of brands, a bunch of cool other people, and it's going to be great.
Mm-hmm.
Networking and having fun.
Yeah.
I just met with that person from National Geographic who had a super cool conversation, so hopefully something comes of that, and I emailed her. And Andre and I just went to a delicious taco place. Maybe my favorite taco place of all time. What do you think?
Yeah, it was really good.
It was.
The churro was amazing.
I think Tucson is definitely worthy of the UNESCO City of Gastronomy tag.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
I'm
good.
excited to explore more.
Yeah. We have a very important meeting with Rockport tonight.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at the beautiful saguaro with the bird holes in it. And look at the Tucson Convention Center. And look at the Andrea. Yeah. Oh, oh! I dropped it.
Saguaros. There's so many.
Tucson is so cute.
It's so adorable. There it is. Tucson. There's you.
That's me.
Oh, what is that building up there? Are we gonna go up there?
I think we will.
Oh, okay.
Very visible. Even from downtown. Can you see the convention center?
Oh, yeah, there it is. It's right there. Do you see the little pyramid triangle?
Sorry, you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, I think so.
Huh.
Doesn't it? Look
Yeah,
like
it does look like it.
There's a little entryway underneath.
Yeah. Huh. Yeah, we were right there. And we went to some really good restaurants in the middle of that.
Somewhere over there.
And we'll be climbing somewhere there-ish.
There. That's gonna be exciting.
And we're going to Saguaro. Somewhere there-ish.
Yeah. Oh, it's kind of nice.
Pretty nice.
Oh, such a good shot. Yeah. I think. I don't know.
largest plant species diversity in America.
In Tucson?
In North America. Yeah,
Wow.
Sonora Desert.
Very cool. Look at that.
Foot tall cactus may have roots that extend 30 feet. Be very close to the surface.
Wow.
Yeah.
Over 2,000 plant species. That's crazy that in a desert it has the largest plant species diversity.
Right?
Like one of the hardest environments to thrive in. But
Yeah.
huh. Don't get too close.
Yeah. Very. Oh my god, dude. Get that on the phone.
Yes, I did.
This guy's last
Maybe he does have to poop. You want to go poop on a cactus? That's also on camera. So pretty. Oh, this is gonna be a really shaky video. Oh, good, good.
Oh my gosh.
Perfect grilling
It's
spot.
the perfect grilling spot.
This is where we need to use the rest of our charcoal.
Yeah.
Too bad we didn't bring it with us. Oh, shucks.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
All these
This
swans are
framing?
so cool.
No, come on. That's so cool. It's like a little portal. This is like such a desktop photo. Like
Yeah.
Oh, I got your face. Just enjoying the
It's hard
sunset.
to take myself seriously. Just like.
Which is cooler, you or this view? I think it's you.
Thank you.
They're all like so crooked.
Yeah.
Look, it has a cowboy hat. How do I zoom?
There's no zoom.
Oh, it has a cowboy hat.
Yeah. Spiniest cactus I've ever seen. Or longest spines.
Yeah. We found a new friend. He wants to give us a hug.
Oh, it's so fun.
Oh, I don't know if I can see it that well. The sun is like right behind it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay, so cowboy hat cactus. Oh my god, it's so cute. This is a perfect angle. It looks adorable. Oh. What's that saying? Like,
Oh.
Cowboy! No, that's not it. Yeah! Save a horse, ride a cactus. Wait, that's also... Look at this perfect saguaro. This is like textbook saguaro. That was a joke. It was a joke.
Sorry.
But do you see this perfect saguaro to the left of it?
Oh, that is like the most iconic saguaro shape ever.
Right in the sunset. There it is. We found the perfect saguaro. The textbook saguaro.
That is
The
textbook
postcard.
saguaro.
Postcard saguaro with the sunset. I don't know why I'm singing.
I love you, Tucson.
Tucson is blowing our minds. All right.